My family absolutely love my chocolate Yule log, so I decided to make this white chocolate and lemon version. The recipe for my chocolate Yule log is on my channel, so be sure to check that out and let me know which one you prefer. So to start with, I added 4 eggs in a large bowl. I added some sugar to this and whisked it until it was pale and fluffy. I then went ahead and prepared the lemon. Once the mixture looked like this, I added some flour, some lemon flavouring and some lemon zest. So the lemony batter is now ready to be poured into my baking tray, which is lined with some greaseproof paper. So I have decided to use my air fryer oven for this recipe. If you want to use a normal oven, that is completely fine. Both of the settings are in the description below. While that's baking away nicely, I'm going to make a start with my white chocolate and lemon ganache. So for that, I melted together some white chocolate, some butter, some double cream and some lemon zest. I then mixed that all together and left it in the fridge for 2 hours. The sponge is now ready. I am not going to wait for this to cool. I will carefully roll this out into a log shape while it is still hot and leave it until it's cooled. To help me unroll the sponge easily, I have used a sheet of greaseproof paper and rolled it in between the sponge. So while that's cooling, I'm going to make some fresh cream filling. For this, I added some double cream into a bowl. I added some icing sugar and some lemon flavouring. I gave that a really good whisk until it was thick. So it's now time to assemble this Yule log. I carefully unrolled the sponge, I spread on the cream and then I rolled it again. I then spread a generous amount of ganache on the log and then I sprinkled it with icing sugar. And that's how I made the white chocolate and lemon version of the Yule log. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Thanks.